Hey everyone, welcome back y'all. We are back to show you 2 challenges that are going up tonight. I am working on the 3rd currently and the 4th challenge as well. This is our penny challenge. We are revamping it. If you don't already know, I do have an Etsy shop. I have it linked down below in the description box. If you are interested in looking at my shop, you can go ahead and that will take you to my shop. I am revamping my penny challenge. Currently right now, I do have this penny challenge up. However, I don't have it as a pack, so I'm going to revise it as a pack. By the time you see this video, everything is up that needs to be up for the items that I'm showing you today. The penny challenge, I decided to do something a little bit different. Instead of having $667.95, which is what the penny challenge is when you complete it, I pushed it to $668 with this challenge using whole numbers instead of pennies. You can definitely still use pennies by all means, but I wanted to do something that would be really super fun. I broke it down into 3 denominational sheets. This first one is $150, and it's got all the numbers on here that you can scratch off. It's all in random numbers. So the whole sheet tells you exactly what you will be saving when you complete the sheet. It also comes with the rest of the pack. We'll show you here in just a minute. There are accessories that come with this. This is the second sheet, which is $247. And the third sheet, which is $274. And I absolutely love it. I did randomize the numbers myself, so super excited I did that. Again, I have this already in my shop, but I don't have it as a pack. So from now on, it's going to come as a pack. I will put it back on the sleeve here shortly. It comes with your choice of lid color. Now let's talk about this. I am not going to go ahead and send out the mason jars. They're super duper expensive to wrap with bubble wrap, and the possibility that it could crack or get broken due to the shipping companies around here just kind of toss the boxes makes me crazy insane about it. So instead of worrying if your mason jar is going to get to you in one piece, I am just selling the lid that comes with it. It's a coin slot lid, and you will also get the penny sticker to put on your mason jar. All you have to do is go into Walmart or a store such as that and pick up a single quart size regular mouth. Now listen to me. There are 2 types. There is a regular mouth and there is a wide mouth. You want the regular mouth mason jar quart size, which is 32 ounces. That's what these lids fit. Now I have 5 choices of lids that you can choose from. I have a black, rose gold, which is what this one is, which is kind of giving me the penny vibe because a penny is copper. I also have gold, I have silver, and I have light blue. So you'll get your choice of whatever colored lid that you want, and then you can choose whether you want these gold sticker scratchers or if you want me to do silver scratchers for you. So this is our penny challenge. I wanted to show you that. By the time again that you see this video, this will be up. The next one that we have that we finally completed is a color in challenge. This challenge is the dime challenge. Set up just like the penny is. Again, you can use whatever color lid you want. I decided with this one I was going to do a silver because, well, dimes are silver. So are nickels and quarters. But again, you can choose whatever color lid that you want. There we go. There goes the police. Y'all, I mention this all the time. We live on the 911 route. It's always going on. With this pack, you will get the dime sticker. Oh my goodness. Y'all hearing that? Yeah. Don, you can hear that from our room. Romy, shh. And Romy can hear it too. All right, so in this pack, here it goes. They're going to keep on going, y'all. Okay, Romy. In this pack, shh, you're going to get the color in challenge, y'all. And it's 4 sheets. And you don't have to go in order. And I know these challenges are a lot more when you see the type here. If you look at the title right there, that is how much you are going to save for the dime challenge. Now, the dime challenge, the nickel challenge, and even the quarter challenge can sound really overwhelming. Here's the deal, y'all. You don't have to do these numbers all at one time. For example, if you get down to the $10 one and say that you don't have $10, but you could put in $2. You keep putting in the amount that you need to, keep a running total, And when you reach $10, color it in and go to the next number that you want to color it. So you don't have to stay in order. You can do random order. If maybe you get your income tax check and you decide you want to put some to it, you can do that as well. The title stays the same at the top, just so that you know. But this is page 2. I came up with the design and my son put it into physicalness for us. This is the 3rd. I decided to go with the little hexagons. I thought they'd be really cool. And then the 4th page, which is only about half a page. And that completes the dime challenge. Absolutely love this. The nickel challenge is actually going to be a scratcher like the penny challenge. I believe it's probably going to be a 6-pack for you, where the penny challenge itself is a 3-pack. The nickel challenge is quite a bit bigger money-wise. I believe, don't quote me, but I think it's $3,379.50, I believe. And I'm going to break that down into smaller amounts as much as possible, but they're going to get larger as the pages go up. So, like I said, if you are intimidated because you think you're a low budgeter and you can't do one of these challenges, y'all, it doesn't need to only be done in 1 year. For example, I am doing all 4 challenges. Now, I don't have the nickel done yet. That will be done tonight, and it will be put up tomorrow. I do not have the quarter one done. That's going to take a few more days for us to do the quarter challenge. Maybe we can knock it out in the next day or so and get that up as well. The quarter challenge, again, is going to be a different design like this dime challenge, but is going to be in a color form, and then the nickel challenge is going to be in a scratch off form. So with that being said, let me move my binder out of the way here, because that will be the next video that we do. I just want to show you what we're doing. I'm using these as an empty nester challenge. I have already my mason jars. I chose black lids for mine. There is the penny. There is the nickel. Here is the dime. Yep, there we go. And see, I just have the quart-size mason jars. And I'm doing this as an empty nester challenge. I have 3 kids in my house that are teenagers. Whoops, let me see if I can push this back a little bit so I don't get it too close. There's the quarter challenge. I have 3 teenagers in my house, y'all. And Jesse and Philip's birthday is this month in January. Philip will turn 13 on the 25th of January. And Jessica is going to turn 14 on the 31st. Then I have Danya, who will be 15 in April. So I've got several years to work on these challenges. These challenges are no joke, okay? The quarter challenge is over $16,000. The dime challenge is over $6,000, as you saw that. The nickel challenge is over $3,000, and then the penny challenge is just below $700. So I've got multiple years to work on this. I can work on it slow and steady, and so can you. You don't have to work on it because it says it's a 365-day challenge. When you see it most of the time, y'all don't have to do it in 365 days. I'm not doing it. I'm turning this into an empty nester challenge for me. I have a quarter, so that one is done. I have a penny. I have to feel the sides, y'all. I can't see. And if you don't know, pennies and nickels are smooth-sided, whereas quarters and dimes have the ridges. All right, so dime is going in, and my nickel, which Danya had to give me because I didn't have a nickel. So those are the first ones done. Now, you can put them in by whole amounts. For example, if you decided you wanted to put $1 in to represent 100 pennies, then you can do that. And you can scratch off the scratchers until you get to a $1. Say you scratch off a $3 one right off the bat, but you only wanted to put $1 in. Then you will either put an extra $2 in, or you keep putting money in until you reach that entire $3, and then you go to the next scratch off. And you can randomly scratch on whatever pages that you want and things of that nature. Same thing with the color pages. You can color on whatever page and choose whatever denomination. You can work on it. It could take you days, weeks, months, whatever you would like. Go at your pace. Again, it does not have to be a 365-day challenge. You can make it what you want. That gives you the flexibility to be working towards the challenge while you are doing it. And then you don't have the anxiety of going, oh my gosh, I have to have this done in a certain amount of time. So just wanted to come on and show you those 2 challenges that I have. Again, I have the penny challenge and I have the nickel challenge. You get to choose your set, your color of lid that you want. Remember, again, you have to go out and buy your own quart size, regular mouth mason jar, y'all. So let's recap the penny and the nickel challenge. The nickel challenge I will be doing tomorrow on the 3rd. I will have it up for you at night by the 3rd, if nothing happens between now and then. And then we will quickly do the quarter challenge and get that up. I am selling these individually, but I am also going to sell them as a mega pack as well. Let's talk price, because let me explain. Supplies are not cheap, and neither is shipping right now. Oh my goodness, shipping is expensive. I will be honest and tell you that shipping cost me roughly about $4 or so, $4 to $5 per packet that I send out to y'all. I eat the cost of that because I have free shipping. If you buy them individually, they're going to cost $18 per set for the scratchers. They're only going to cost $15 per set for the color in ones. The reason for that is the scratchers, I have to pay for the scratching stickers, okay? I also pay for the lids. I pay for the design that my daughter created, the design for the penny, nickel, quarter, and dime stickers. So I have to pay her not only for her time, I also have to pay for the materials and for her to ship them to me, since now she is living in Arkansas. If you buy them as a bundle, I will give you guys a discount. So I will have the mega bundle done hopefully by Friday. It looks like we could do it by Friday, and have the mega bundle where you get the penny, the nickel, the dime, and the quarter challenge all together. And you, again, get to choose your color lids. So if you want a different color for each one of the challenges for lids, you have the option to do that as well. So just wanted to come on and show this. I'm super excited. I will be doing it myself. In fact, I'm doing all 4 challenges as I showed you. And I'm calling mine the Empty Nester Challenge, because when my kids are out, I should have all these challenges done. And I believe it's going to save me, let's see, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think it's just under 27,000. Don't quote me, but I think that's what it is when I have all the challenges done. Y'all, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to take a vacation on that, because it'll just be me and the chihuahuas, and we won't have the kids at the house. So that's what I have for you today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, and or suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. Anything that you want to ask me question-wise, please feel free to do so as well. So that's what we have for you right now. Our next video will be our cash stuffing for the 2nd week of December. Follow that by the grocery haul that I did for the 3rd week of December. And then I'm going to wrap it up and put the 3rd and 4th week budgeting and cash stuffing together as its own separate video, so I can roll in, because we're already started in January and bills are due in a couple of hours because it's almost January 3rd. All right, y'all. Hope you guys all rang in a very warm, happy, and safe New Year. Wishing everybody the best for 2024. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, Without Limits is out.